Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to open the battery door from the GoPro. This one is gonna be the Hero 8 Black Edition. I had a hard time opening the battery door so I can install it, but it was hard to open it, but I finally opened the door by just pressing down here. Just get your nail and push it down. Okay, don't be scared, you're not gonna break anything. Just pull it down. You put it down, see, after it clicks and you see a red line here, stop. Don't push it further and push it towards you. Okay, and it's gonna be open. So just put the battery in the socket, okay, like this. Okay, then push it down and put it back up. Just to let you guys know, this door you can take it out. You can detach this door. I'm not gonna do it, or let me try if I can do it. Oh, okay, voila, see? So don't worry, it's not broken. It's another feature from this GoPro. Simple. If you notice, you're gonna have the memory card slot here and the USB-C type C if you want to transfer all the data. And just to if you want to put back the door, just push it down and lock it. While pressing down, push this button down. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, push it down like that, easily. Okay, you have to put a little bit of pressure. That's it guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.